Century ProWood MDF, the wood of the future, is an innovative manufacturer of engineered wood that is world-class. It is a part of the Century Ply Group, India's leading integrated wood panel company founded in 1986. The group has made an impressive beginning in high-quality MDF and particle board manufacturing. After the Industrial Revolution and our desire for natural materials like wood, the planet's forests have been shrinking at a rapid pace. We needed to come up with a better alternative, giving the world environment-friendly wood solutions like MDF and particle board, manufactured with advanced technology and excellent aesthetics. It is as stylish and workable as natural wood. Name any furniture, doors, or anything else that till now has been made with wood, it can be made with the more eco-friendly MDF. With the vision of providing path-breaking solutions in wood and wood-related industries, and to meet consumers' diversified needs, Century ProWood MDF grew its range of offerings too. We pioneered new technologies for the Indian market and set the bar higher and higher with our brands. Our recognized and certified products speak for itself. We manufacture the finest MDF with much precision to give you the best. The process begins with the chipping of the hardwood of especially grown eucalyptus trees. Wood chips are converted into fibers, made smooth and water-resistant. The glued fibers bonded with the mat are converted into a board. The final process involves lamination of the board with high-quality decorative paper. A solution made in India to global standards of performance. Century ProWood MDF meets the evolving demands of modern consumers by being smart, versatile, and beautiful. It is versatile, as it is carefully engineered to make precise routing, machining, and finishing possible. The product can easily be carved and molded without chipping. Absolutely suitable for applications requiring unique shapes or intricate designs. It comes packed with superior technical features which provide strength and durability even under harsh conditions. Each board is constructed with scalper technology and quality checked at 128 individual points. This ensures uniform and high-density smoothness, routing grade quality, and resistance to adverse environment and pests. Century products are accredited by the Indian Green Building Council. Moreover, the pre-laminated boards come with the ViroKill technology that fights viruses and keeps it safe. Century ProWood MDF provides both strength and beauty. Ultra-smooth surfaces make them perfect for painting and polishing by providing high gloss. Pre-laminated boards, backed by the wide range of Century laminates, provides choices in terms of colors and designs, which helps the customers to express their creativity freely. Our MDF boards have a homogeneous internal structure with a super smooth surface, ensuring there is no warping, cracking, spitting, or knots. The boards are available in two grades: densified water resistant, IS grade 1. Its densified structure is forged with moisture-fighting properties, which makes it suitable for varied and prolonged application in humid conditions. Densified interior range, IS Grade 2. Super grade range for diverse applications in the interiors. Both the grades are available in two variants, plain and pre-laminated. Premium Plus, another feather in the cap. One solution for your furniture and interiors. The product that fulfills almost every criteria any customer could ask for. The range also comes with an added advantage of the 5-year warranty on it. Perfect for creating durable furniture of all shapes and sizes. We are present pan-India, have 18 branches and have the support of a dedicated and robust 700 plus dealer network. We did not stop at that. With an objective to stylize and redefine interior designing, we introduced Century ProWood Art Series. An exciting new range of embossed panels for a whole new world of interior design. Its panels are made with the latest technology available worldwide. Using the best quality plates that give sharp edges to the embossed design and a glossy smooth finish to the surface. Century particle boards are manufactured using high-quality agro-wood plantation trees such as eucalyptus. These engineered wood panels are made of wood chips of predetermined sizes and are bonded by synthetic resin under heat and pressure. Particle boards can be used in flat pack furniture and for interior cupboards, work surfaces or for wall panels.
मैं सुरिंदर सिंह, डायरेक्टर एकोम फर्नीचर। मैं लास्ट 25-30 साल से MDF यूज़ कर रहा हूँ और सिर्फ MDF यूज़ कर रहा हूँ। अभी सेंचुरी प्रोवुड लास्ट 4-5 साल से जैसे मार्केट में आया है, तो हम MDF की जो क्वालिटी है, इसमें सेंचुरी को अगर मैं कहूँ तो मैं सिर्फ इतने कहूँगा कि सेंचुरी है तो सोचना क्या।
Hi, I am Amarjit Singh, one of the directors in Ecom Furniture. So it's been more than 5 years we're using Century Premium Plus products. And whenever customer comes to us and asks for the best quality, we definitely offer Premium Plus product because working on the Premium Plus board is very easy. We can give it any kind of a shape. The best part is it is termite proof, it is water resistance. So the carving can be done very easily on this board. So it's been a long time that the combination of Ecom Furniture and Century ProWood is doing very well, and especially their Premium Plus product, which is high density and high moisture resistance product, is helping us to grow our business. And best of luck to Century ProWood from Ecom team.
Hello, my name is Tanuj Garg and I am the director in Foss Nativeware Private Limited. Century ProWood से हम लोग लास्ट 3-4 ईयर से कनेक्ट हैं और हम लोग सेंचुरी प्रोवुड का प्रीमियम प्लस प्रोडक्ट यूज़ कर रहे हैं। प्रीमियम प्लस प्रोडक्ट चूज़ करने का रीज़न ये था कि इस प्रोडक्ट को अगर हम लोग वाटर में डिप करते हैं तो ये कितना सक्सेसफुल रहता है। हमने 2 डेज तक वाटर में लिटरली उसको डिप करके रखा और उसके बावजूद मतलब कि आफ्टर 2 डेज़ के बाद भी वो बिल्कुल नॉर्मल था जैसे हमने इसको डिप किया था। तो हमारा कॉन्फिडेंस और बढ़ गया उस चीज़ के पीछे कि भी हाँ, प्रीमियम प्लस प्रोडक्ट अभी तक तो हमें अच्छा लग रहा है। फिर हमने इसको प्रोडक्शन में डाला, हमने ऑर्डर प्लेस किया, कस्टमर के पास हमारे सभी कस्टमर्स को हमने सेटिस्फाई किया इस चीज़ के लिए कि ये वाटर और टर्माइट रेजिस्टेंस है और आप 100% इस चीज़ को कस्टमर को सेल कर सकते हैं विद वेरिफिकेशन के साथ में। तो जो प्रोडक्ट हमने 2 इयर्स पहले हमने जो सेल किया था उसका हमने अपने रियल जो कंज्यूमर है, एंड कंज्यूमर है, हमने उनसे अपना रिव्यू लेना स्टार्ट किया प्रोडक्ट के बारे में कि कहीं वाटर टर्माइट की वजह से हमारा प्रोडक्ट कहीं ख़राब तो नहीं हो रहा है। तो जितने भी हमने रिव्यूज़ लिए सबका बिल्कुल 100% पॉजिटिव रिव्यूज़ थे। एक्चुअली क्या है कि रेंज भी जो इनका टेक्सचर रेंज है लैमिनेट का वो भी काफ़ी अच्छा है, जिससे क्या है कि मॉडर्न लुक मिलता है हमें बाथरूम वैनिटीज़ के लिए। मॉडर्न लुक की वजह से क्या है कि कस्टमर हमारे प्रोडक्ट को ज़्यादा लाइक करते हैं। इवन हम लोग ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म पे भी अपना प्रोडक्ट सेल कर रहे हैं, तो उधर से भी हमें रिव्यूज़ काफ़ी अच्छे मिलते हैं प्रोडक्ट के लिए कि हैवी है, स्ट्रॉन्ग है, डेंसिटी इसकी काफ़ी हाई है। तो मतलब कि आज अब हमारी इंडस्ट्री में हम लोग 100% सेटिस्फाई हैं प्रीमियम प्लस प्रोडक्ट से।
The Indian consumer has put Century Plywood as the best brand in India. Century Plywood has brought to you laminates, decorative veneers, which are available across the country in every place. Now, Century Plywood introduces the latest, the best wood, which is known as Pro Wood MDF from Century Ply. This product is also now available across the country from Jammu Kashmir to Kerala, from Gujarat to Assam or even beyond.
Our growth has been substantial. We have changed the market dynamics and created our own space with quality products. With growing demand in the MDF category, we plan to expand our plants at multi-locations. This is the right time to build the way the world does with Century Pro Wood MDF. The wood of the future.